Hello friends, let us draw one baby turtle today. Baby turtle. As usual, I am drawing one lion. This is called line of action. On that I am drawing one simple circle. Until I am getting almost a perfect circle, I needed to do the scribbling. And let us draw same circle again. So two circle. Then here let us mark one rectangle and here as well. Two rectangles for its hands. And next let us make rectangle one here and here too. These rectangles for its legs. And we know it has a shell roof on the top. So we did all basic sketch. We did all basic forms of our cute character. And then next we know it has a beautiful long mouth. So here let us mark one simple circle again and let us draw its mouth like this. The upper mouth part must be like this. That is the shape of turtle or tortoise, same. And nose. Let us draw beautiful big eye. See? M. So this is the basic idea of our drawing. Next let us make some cleanup for our drawing. So I am taking one brown pencil for cleaning up our drawing. So where should we clean up? First we have to draw the head part. As it has basic idea we already made, so it is very simple to draw. Its jaw part, and head, here its body up to its leg, if this is an artist, obviously it will hold a pencil or brush, maybe brush like this, right? Holding a brush. So depends on our idea, imagination, concept, we can add its props, detailings. Here its shadow, and now we are cleaning up the eye part. Two circles with specular white, and here we know it has the shell like this with the design. Hope you like our character. Let us call him. Can you suggest a name? Okay, if you have any idea of his name, please send me name in this WhatsApp number 730-617-9318. Next let us shade this. Okay, so let us give beautiful color. First I am using this light green color. And if we want to bring a yellowish green tint, we have option just using this yellow over the color, so it will look more bright, more beautiful. Okay. In this drawing we needed to understand what is the shading as well. So one side, if the light source is here, all the brighter part will be around here, so other side will little bit darker. While we giving the darker tone one side, the benefit is it will look like a 3D, three-dimensional object or three-dimensional character. While shading, make sure the pencil tip having smooth edge only. So all these part I am shading because the color is coming from upside. And leaving this part as well as light color. So we needed to learn the beautiful light and shade technique as well. So face light falling area, here it is light falling area, right? And up to here, this is light falling area, and this is shaded area. Here light falling area, here light falling area, this is shaded area, right? So next let us give this yellowish color tone here again. Okay, next we need orange pencil. Yeah, we have orange, so let us give orange tone here, the bottom part of jaw. For its highlight, let us use yellow, and the inner part of the mouth, let us use this color. Hope you are like this. And we need red too, like this. And here the shadow area of the nail part, making color with the orange. Some part means the bottom area, like this. Okay, and darker color tone here, for his eye here, so take the reference and try to draw this. This is very simple sketch, everyone can draw. So for its brush I am using red color, so it will be visible as it is very small one. So this is our drawing. Let us do clean up this. So hope everyone know how to cleaning up process is. Cleaning up means make perfect line like this. Like this. nose, draw over it. Here simply draw like this. You don't need to give more no detailing. Just give the simple lines for understanding what is the concept is. As it is for our sweet kids, I am not giving more details for making drawing tough. Our kids should have it to follow this. That's why drawing everything with the simple steps. So you can try it. If you have a sketch pen, you know, if you have that sketch pen type of pen, it will be very easy to do. This is one reference I got from Google. So if you searching, you will get amazing cute characters for learning. Okay, so let us give a beautiful brown color here. Okay, now we need to draw shadow. As the light source is from here, the shadow will be around here. So the shadow falling area just opposite side of our light source. Give shadow like this. If you wanted to make your drawing more beautiful, you can give some background color like this. Here it is yellow because this part is here it is light source area. So I am giving that color this side. While doing painting, we have to take care about our all canvas area. And other side, let us use any new color. Okay, now I am using this. So make sure it has no sharp edge. So use one rough paper and try to do like this, so it will be lighter. So here I am using this color. Like this. This is our simple turtle drawing and coloring. Hope everybody enjoyed this art. Please try, and if you like, you can send your drawing to this WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks.